P&J Productions with Lego set 60420. Excavator
Ah, yes.
construction set.
Another construction set.
Comes with 3 minifigures, not 4.
Oh, man.
As we can see, someone snuck in here.
Yeah, once again, that old Tut.
With this,
He likes to be in every screenshot.
every screen. Well, time to show you this functionality of this thing.
Oh.
He's got very good posability on this thing. You can see that's the range of movement for this puppy.
Mm-hmm.
More elephant branding here.
Yeah. Same construction company or manufacturer of
Very good.
construction equipment.
You can see the tracks roll really good.
Oh,
They
yeah.
roll really smooth. Oh, there we go. Really good movement on this thing.
Oh, you almost ran over your construction guys.
You can see we got a little bit. You can reveal some engine detail.
Oh, yeah. Got a nice diesel in there.
That's that detail. That looks really good. Operator's cabin here. We can remove. See, he's got a bit of controls here. But this just slots right there, and we got. Let me take a look at this. Yeah, this thing looks really good. And here's the other side too. You can see he gets on there and he stands on top. He's like, yeah, this is my excavator. Speaking of the guy, we got very interesting mustache on this guy.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
Very good looking minifigure though.
Yeah.
Hard hat and
Got his hard hat and his ear protection.
ear protection's very good, very important here.
Oh, there's the engineer again.
And another blueprint
Uh-huh.
for an ice cream shop.
Oh, building an ice cream shop, huh?
Yes.
Oh,
He looks very professional, very
Also-
professional man.
yeah.
And a female construction worker. Again, out of their 2 new sets for their Lego City construction theme in 2024. It's a very beautiful set. Love this set.
Awesome. Yeah.
Available at Target.
Target, yeah. Oh, man.
Although I'm sure you could find it on eBay as well. And I think, and the Lego store, of course, you can find all their Lego sets on the Lego store.
Yeah.
That's a given. But I'd like to commend the Lego designer who designed this set, because look how complicated that detailing is.
Oh, yeah.
So many interesting techniques used for this thing.
Oh, that's true.
Just look at the back side alone for that thing. That uses slopes. It uses this new weird piece. This piece all to create this really good look.
Yeah. Very ingenious.
Many good techniques used on this set. So yes, I commend the designer for really thinking outside the box for this.
Oh, yeah. Very nice looking.
Very good.
It is. Got the vents for the motor on the side. What's that?
Oh, that's just for
Oh, just
Yeah.
okay. The pivot point.
oh no, Tut is in. He's in the operator's.
Oh no! You think he's qualified to operate that? Oh, no!
He's absolutely. He's wrecking havoc.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a menace.